With just a few simple ingredients in my air fryer, I am going to take this zucchini and turn it into a delicious, low-carb, crunchy, flavor-packed zucchini fry. Thank you guys so much for being here, and now that you are, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below. And before you leave, please also remember to give this video a like and a share. You guys, just as I said, zucchini, a few simple ingredients in an air fryer, and we are going to make a crunchy, flavor-packed zucchini fry that is low carb. So get the ingredients together, come in close, and let's make these together. Okay, we are going to start with prepping our zucchini. Cut off the ends. Let's cut it this way first. It's easier to manage this way. So this is going to be the length of my fries. Okay, now that I have that, let's cut this in half. And then I'm going to take this half and cut it in half. And that will serve as the thickness of my fry. Okay. Just like that. About 1/4 of an inch. Okay. All right, guys. So now that all of these have been cut to the thickness that I need, the next step is to go ahead and cut them into the size of the fry. And again, about 1/4 of an inch. And I am going to continue to do this with the rest of this zucchini. Okay, everyone, this is one small zucchini that has been cut into the size that I need for my fries. And what I'm going to do is just put them into a paper towel just to absorb any excess moisture while I put together the coating. Go ahead and set this aside. Okay. All right, now for our coating. First thing we have is our egg. And we need this just so this coating will have something to stick onto. All right. Okay, set this aside. Okay, over here, we've got almond flour. And then to it, we are going to add our seasoning, which is some oregano, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Let's go ahead and add that in. Give this a mix. And of course, you guys, you can use the blend of seasonings that you prefer, but this is what I like, that I feel brings out a really good flavor to these fries. And another thing that I love about using almond flour is that you can taste it to make sure that it has a proper ratio of everything before you actually use it. Perfect. Now, the last thing that we need to use in this coating is some Parmesan cheese. So what I need to do is to go ahead and grate this because this is shredded. I need to grate it to get it nice and fine. And then I will be adding this to this mixture. The Parmesan cheese in here. And I am going to grate this. And there we have it. We took a shredded Parmesan and turned it into a grated Parmesan. Go ahead and add this into the mixture. Let me clear all of this out of the way, and we are going to move on to the next. Okay, now that this Parmesan cheese is in this flour mixture, let's go ahead and stir it in to make sure that it is well incorporated. And then we are going to set up our breading station. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put the egg in here. I think it'll be easier to coat the fries. And then our breadcrumbs right here. Actually, you know what? Let me take some of these out. Because what I want to do is I'm not one to waste food. So this may end up being too much that I need for the zucchini fries that I'm making right now. So of course I don't want to get any eggs on it. So what I'm going to do is, if it is in fact too much, I'm just going to put this in a Ziploc bag and set it aside, and then I can use this at a later time. Okay. All right, and let's bring our zucchini strips back. And we are going to start with coating them in the eggs first to get them nice and wet. And again, this serves as something to which the breadcrumbs can adhere to. All right, here we go. Okay. And they are now nicely coated on all sides. Okay. And the next step is to go ahead and take them and put them in the breadcrumbs. Okay. Go ahead and flip them over. And as you can see, we have a nicely coated zucchini fry. All right. Do exactly the same thing with the rest of them. All right, guys, now off to a tray they go until it's time to fry them. And we're going to do exactly the same thing with the rest of this zucchini. I'll see you soon. Okay, everyone, so this is the amount that I know will fit in my air fryer in a single layer, which is exactly the way you need to fry these, just to make sure that they fry evenly and you get a nice crunchy coating. And as you can see here, I still have some more to do. So after I put these in, I'm going to come back, finish coating these, and then this will be my second batch. I'll see you at the air fryer. Okay, everyone, this air fryer has now preheated, and I found when I made them previously that 10 minutes at 400 degrees worked perfectly, but depending upon what model of an air fryer you have, you may have to tweak those measurements a little bit. So let's go ahead and open this basket. I'm going to put a liner in, and again, add these fries in a single layer. Okay, everyone, and that's what that looks like. So I'm gonna put these in, and I'm going to flip them halfway through. Okay, the timer went off. We're halfway through, and see they are starting to crisp up and get nice and brown. One thing that I wanted to do, but I failed to do before I put them in the first time, was to spray some of this avocado oil on them. I'm going to do that right now. Then I'm going to flip them and then finish cooking them. Okay, everyone, so the first batch of fries are still in the fryer. This is the second batch. They have already been coated. I'm going to set them aside until it's their turn to go into the fryer. And then in the meantime, what I'm going to do is I am going to clear all of this out, and I'm going to bring in the ingredients that I am going to use to put together a aioli garlic dipping sauce. Okay, you guys, so for this aioli sauce, we need some mayonnaise, some minced garlic, and some lemon juice. Okay. And blend. Okay, guys, the only thing that we need to do is to give it a taste for some salt and some pepper. A little bit of salt. a little bit of pepper, blend, and your dipping sauce is ready. Okay, guys, the next time you see me, I will be showing you the final product, and then we are going to serve this and give this a taste. All right, you guys, and here we have it, along with our sauce. All right, everyone, and just like that, we have a plate full of deliciousness. Lord, I thank you. So good. Those are good. Absolutely delicious, you guys. The coating is everything. Make sure you season it well and make it your own kind of special. I did so by using almond flour, parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and oregano. The perfect blend for this zucchini. And put it in the air fryer for about 10 minutes, probably 10 to 12 minutes, again, depending upon your particular model. And I cooked mine at 400 degrees, and they came out nice and crispy and golden brown and absolutely delicious. You guys, give it a try. And when you do, please do leave in your comments that you did and let me know how you love it and then how you made it your own kind of special. And remember to give this video a like and a share, and also remember to subscribe to my channel by pressing that subscribe button below if you've not yet done so before. Thank you guys for being here, and remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you real soon on my next Fit 50, and enjoy.